Good afternoon, students, and welcome to the fall semester here at Bellarmine, our MAED program. This first week, I'd like to start by doing an overview of how I've organized our Moodle for this course. And if you look at the top of the page, you'll see that I have documents that you are going to revisit. For the most part, these documents are documents that you're going to revisit and want to be able to find over the course of the semester. For example, your syllabus, the Duncan and Renane Restoring Opportunity readings, as well as your ISM paper assignment and your family engagement assignment. I also happen to have your culture bag assignment, which is your first assignment at the top of Moodle this week. Over the course of this week, I encourage you to not only review your syllabus and the culture bag assignment, which are on this week's agenda, but to review the contents of the other folders that are at the top of the page, even though they will not be addressed in this week's agenda. As we scroll down, this is how our weekly agendas will be organized. They'll start off with learning targets for the week, and then I'll have an agenda, and each one of the items is a hyperlink that expands to show additional instructions. So we start off with a syllabus, then you can advance either using the links at the bottom of the page, either on the right or the left, or you can just go back here to the top toolbar, or you can just hit the back button. The second item on our agenda is the syllabus. And obviously you want to look over, very closely review the syllabus this week, as it's going to help ensure your success in the course. I've provided a hyperlink under the syllabus, number 2, under this item, where you can post questions. And by having the questions posted here, you don't have to identify yourself. Everybody can see the question and everybody can see the answer to the question. The next item is the culture bag. And as I said, at the top of the page, you will find the detailed instructions for the culture bag. This is due 9/6 at 11:55 p.m. Tuesday, when the class starts, August 30th, I will provide an example of my culture bag. If we click to the next item, it takes us to the readings for the week. I have a prompt related to those readings, and that will be what you will discuss in this week's discussion thread. I ask you to post your response to this prompt by Saturday at 11:55, and then I ask you to respond to at least 3 of your classmates by 11:55 on the following Tuesday. So that would be Tuesday, 9/6. And then each week at the end of the agenda, I will have a summary of the work for that week. And this can kind of function as a checklist for you to make sure that you are turning in everything that you need without having to scroll through or read each of the longer narratives under the numbered items. So if we look at our agenda again for this week, we have our welcome, our syllabus, our culture bag, our readings, the summary for the week. This is where, right below that is where you will post your discussion thread post, and then right below that is where you will post your culture bag video. So that's an overview of how Moodle will be organized. Again, I want to welcome you to the start of the fall semester. I want to let you know how much I enjoy, how much I'm looking forward to working with you over the course of the semester. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me or call me. I've even provided my cell phone number if you would like to text me. I'm glad always to answer your questions. And with that, I'll say, I hope your school year is off to a great start and have a great weekend.